Let's see how to add a signature in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open up Microsoft Word. And then, to add a signature, click on the Insert tab. Over here at the signature line. And for example, let's follow the example. John Doe, manager, and let's say johndoe@gmail.com. And then click OK. That will show a new signature line where we can put in a signature. If we double click this, we can add an image that will act as a signature. So for example, let's browse. Let's use the signature. And doing this will finalize the document, meaning that you can no longer make any changes as long as the signature is here, as you can see. However, if you click this button, Edit Anyway, that will remove the signature and make it editable again. Now, let's say you don't want to go through the hassle of finalizing and being able to make changes to your document. You can simply click on the Insert tab, add a picture from this device. Let's go over and look for that signature right here, and that will show up as an image. You might have to make a few changes to your original signature by removing the background first to make sure that it does not overlap with some of the text, like this. That is all, and I hope you know and learned more about putting in signatures in your document. See you soon!